while we've been in track pole and they were these students' ages. Tonight our announcer is going to be Cameron Locke, and then helping us is Austin Culbertson, Chase Brooksick, Megan Dobson, Allison Isaacson, and Zach. No, it's not. It's Zach Strickland. Okay, I'm going to turn it over to Cameron. We're going to start with the, I call them the lightweight division. That's the 25 to 41 pounders. So guys along here, you need to stay back and everybody have a good time and yell and scream. You need to sign in?
Okay, first up is Aiden Summer, and on deck is Annual Black Caden Summers had a pull of 2 feet. Give a hand to Angela Prince had a pull of 19.3 feet. Give her a hand.
Hey, we want to sit up here by us. The whole point is to get very far. Yeah, but I could get me too. Hey, Lewis, you can sit next to me. Nadine, over here. Goodbye, boy. Moses, to help? It starts right here. No, that's all the farther he can get. Nadine, you better hurry. Hurry. Maybe Julie can do it. So cool. I know the one that
That was Dirty Bacon with a pull of 15 feet 9 inches. Up now in the midweight division now. Up first is Luke Culbertson, and John Walker is on deck.
Oh my goodness, and pigs fly.
Alright, the winners of the lightweight division are first Angela Prince, second Charity Clayton, and Toby Rummel is third. Angela Prince had a pull of 19 feet 3 inches with Charity Clayton at 15.9 and Toby Rummel at 10 feet 10 inches.
On the tractor, right now. On the tractor.
Alright, we've added weight to the sled.
At first I looked at the tractor and then you're like, no, it's straight. Oh my god. No problem.
That was Luke Culbertson with a pull of 2 feet 6 inches. Give him a hand. John Walker, Caden Walker is on deck.
John Walker. And then John Walker.
And John Walker with a pull of 21 feet.
I know.
That was Shanae Potts. She had a pull of 12 feet, 5 inches. Up now is Hayden Sadhoff. Corey Shepard is on deck.
This is Anita's grandson. Oh, Diane, you're right in our way.
Come on, Corey, you can do it. Come on, Daddy. All right. Good job.
Garrett Hayden and Nate Olsander is on deck. That was Garrett Hayden with a pull of 15 feet even. Up next, John Walker still in the lead with Luke Culbertson in second, and Lena Polsander, or Garrett Hayden in third. So. Up now is Kia Dalton, or Kaya.
Talk about burning hair. That was the bad part. You think they're getting the barn in nowhere now. What you work out there?
That was Kaya Dalton with a pull of 15 feet, 8 inches, which puts her in third place. Give her a hand.
I told Mommy I was going to turn right and use that. I used to take my dinner with me like I was just sitting there and eat and keep going, you know.
He's got a nice rhythm going.
She come down there and had her bottle in a diaper and everything. Well, I didn't know what she did. She coming down there.
Yeah. You know what I've been doing? Like some Lawrence they're 10 times better.
That's how Sadie does up our Kansas City. She found a little outside market. She always wanted to eat that. It's got a basket. I've ordered it 3 times. Every time I order it, they say, well, your credit card ain't no good. They called me the other day and they'd been over a year, and I said, stick that stuff right up your butt.
Okay, we have a new third placer. It's Bryce Bird with a pull of 19 feet, 2 inches. Up now is Gabe. So far, we still have John Walker in first place with a pull of 21 feet, 10 inches. Luke Culbertson with 20 feet, 6 inches. And Bryce Bird with 19 feet, 2 inches.
I got this. I just didn't need that much to go on my long back. Potatoes, potatoes are good.